Howdy, thanks for joining me. I'm Wayne, or BWC, whatever you want to call me. Got another package from eBay here. Pretty good sized package. Let's open this up and see what it is, okay? Looks like it's here in this. Let's see what we got here. Aerobatic Russian Air Force Russian Knights team. The rubber band powered plane. Alright, I like these. I've got a few of them up here on the site already. So if you want to watch some of them, go under planes. Playlist called Planes. We'll get this one opened. Here it is. It's called Aerobatic Teams. It's made in China. Russian Air Force. Looks like rubber band powered. We'll get it open, show you how to fly it. Open it up here. There's your instructions. Shows you how to put it together, and we'll see what we can do here, okay? Here's all your parts. Fuselage, wing, rear wing, rudder, stick down, decals for the other side of the plane there. See what we can do here, okay? Alright, there's a place for the wing mount right here. You gotta pull that out. Wing mounts this little thing right here. See it? Slips in right here and slides up and clips right there. Okay, we got that in now, looks like. Alright, there's that. And it says take the wing, fold it a little bit down like that. Alright, let's put the wing on here. Alright, take your wing now and just fold it in half. See there? Now what's going to happen is you're going to slip that right in here like this. Slip it in the slot in the wing right there, okay? And then down that slot in the front. See there? How it slides in right there? Slips down right there, just like that. Fits in that little slot right there. There's your wing on there, like so. There's your wing. Now what you're going to do is go over here to your decals. Number 6 and 7 fastens it down. Right there is 6. But take your sticker like so. You can get it off there. There it is. Go on to the bottom. Your wing mounts right there. Fasten them down. Stick it down right there, just like that. Just like that. Now you've got it on there. Now do the other side. Number 7 does the other side. Yeah. There we go. Number 7. Fasten it down right there. Press your wing down. Stick it down. There you go. Now you got your wing mounted on there like that. Okay. Now let's take the rudders. You see the back sides of the rudders have nothing on it. So what we're going to do is go over here to our decals, like so. Our stickers, they're not decals, they're actually stickers. Alright, pull that up. Yeah, well, you got slots in there. You got to be careful you don't tear everything up. Alright. Stick it on here like so. Just like that. There's the other side of your rudder. Now you got 1, 2. Okay. And we got a second one here. We'll do it too. Alright, we got that on there now. 2 rudders. Now I think we'll see if we can stick them to the fuselage. Alright, let's see what we can do here. First thing we got to do is put our elevator on. Okay. The elevator looks like it slips through that slot right there. Like so. Okay. That's on there. Now your rudders fit on, looks like right here. Slip in that little slot right there, if you can. Right there, and right there. There's one of them. Now the other one fits on the same kind of way. Right in here on the wing and on the rudder, like so. Straighten your elevator up like that. There's your, there they are. Okay. Looks like we've got a 3. Sticks it down. It's like a 2 and a 3. Number 2 is right here. I think if you kind of fold it a little bit, the center, that'll help you. You don't tear it up like that. Stickers tend to tear up, don't they? Alright. Stick that on there. Stick it down like that. Now number 3 goes on the other side. Where is it? 3 is right here. There's 3. Okay. Fold it. Be easier to get it on that way. Okay. It goes on right here. Okay, that's on. Alright. Let's see what we can do here with this. Stick the elevator down right there. It's a rudder, excuse me. Let's do the other side too. 5. Stick it down right here. Alright, I think we got that down, I guess. Alright, so far so good, I guess. Nose piece. Here's your nose pieces. The nose piece goes. Little holes right here. Poke them out. There goes one. There goes the other. here. These are going to go on each side here. Show you. The little holes right there. That one goes there. That one goes right there. Like that. This thing slips in right here first before you stick them together. Right there. Stick them together real hard. They stick together real good, it looks like. Okay. There's your nose pieces. Nose pieces on there, see? Alright. Looks like you might be ready to fly. Let's see what we can do here. There it goes. I think we're ready to do some flying with it. If it veers to the left, bend your rudder to the right. That'll straighten it out. Here's how you hook it up, okay? Take your rubber band, and it hooks to the front of the plane on that nose mount right there, see? Then you just... Pretty good little flying plane. If it climbs and stalls, bend your elevator down. That'll straighten it out. Okay, let's do a little outside flying. There's one. Pretty good little flight, wasn't it? There's another one. It's a pretty good flying little plane. The wind's kind of blowing, so we're kind of firing into the wind here. There's how you set it up right there and launch it. There's another one. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Well, we'll go pick that one up. Fire it back with the wind. Hey, it flew pretty good with the wind, isn't it? Didn't it? There's a good one. It's a pretty good little flying plane. Check this one out, will you? I think that's about it for this time. Go check out our other planes under the playlist Planes. I like this plane. It's a good flyer. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time.